What's up and welcome to Non-Fungible Fundamentals. The Web3 space is kind of like uncharted water if you do not know where to find your information. Every day, things happen so quickly in the crypto space, in the NFT space, in the DeFi space. So today I'm going to show you 5 free dashboards that you can use to help you navigate in these uncharted water of Web3 and to really make timely decisions. These dashboards are actually free of charge, and one of the biggest selling points of these dashboards is that you do not have to create an account. You do not have to pay for any subscription. So without further ado, let's jump in. So the first dashboard is The Block. The Block is a crypto news outlet, but they do have a dashboard covering the exchanges, covering the on-chain data, and also covering DeFi and NFTs. So they have a really comprehensive dashboard. So the dashboard is very helpful in the sense that it is very holistic in showing you what is happening. So the second dashboard is called Crypto Bubbles. It is a visual representation of what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. You can actually see percentage change of cryptocurrency on a different time frame, so you can immediately know what is happening in the market, what tokens are trending, what tokens are not trending. And once you identify these tokens, your next step is to really do your research, probably on Reddit, on Twitter, to see why this token is trending and whether there's more potential that it could have for the upside. Or maybe if there's no news supporting this trend, then maybe it's time to not FOMO in. The third dashboard is actually DeFi Llama. So for those of you who do not know, DeFi Llama is actually an aggregator which aggregates all on-chain DeFi related protocols. If you are interested in getting your hands dirty with decentralized finance, this is the platform to go to. You can use DeFi Llama to look at different DeFi protocols on different blockchains, and you can actually look at the stablecoin market cap and whether there's an increase in certain stablecoins or not. The platform is also very helpful for those of you who are yield farmers, people who want to get the most APR possible on different type of DeFi protocols. So it does show you a percentage yield of different DeFi protocol. And one of the most important insights is that it shows you that whether money is leaving a certain protocol or whether money is entering into a certain protocol. If money is leaving certain protocol, maybe there's a chance that the protocol tokens could dump. And if there's money entering into these protocol, it could increase the network effect and the network value of the whole protocol because there is utility. The third dashboard is actually related to NFTs, and don't let the name fool you, and it is called Crypto Slam. Crypto Slam is actually a dashboard where you can look at the price changes for different individual collections, or you can even look at the different type of blockchains that supports NFTs and whether there is new transaction volume on these blockchains. So it gives you an idea where the money is and where the market is. What is really helpful is that they also have charts, so you can click into these charts and see whether there is an increase in transaction volume or there's a decrease in transaction volume, giving you an understanding on whether that blockchain has been utilized or not. And finally, to our fifth dashboard, which is DIY, do it yourself. I'm not sure if you know this, but on Twitter, there's something called lists. What you can do with these lists is to add Twitter handles that you want to listen to or follow into these lists, and you can pin these lists so that it shows up as a separate newsfeed on your mobile or on your computer so that you can specifically follow the posts by these Twitter accounts. And on the computer, what you can do is that there's a software called TweetDeck. So TweetDeck is actually an analytics platform that was acquired by Twitter a while back. When you use TweetDeck, you can actually add these lists into TweetDeck to create different type of newsfeed for you. For myself, what I did is that I want to look at the traditional market. So I created a list following a bunch of traditional news outlets, and I want to listen to NFT related markets. Then I added, NFT media to that list. And finally, I wanted to listen to crypto related news or Web3 related news. So basically, you have 3 different type of lists that could give you an overview in a short period of time. So if you wake up every day, say your GMs, and you want to know what is happening, you could refer to TweetDeck, and then you could look at your own created list to see what is exactly the trending discussion. And one of the most important thing is that on TweetDeck, you can actually search a keyword, and that keyword will basically pull all the data from Twitter to show you the mentions, the engagements, and so that you can have an idea of what is being discussed around the topic. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video of 5 free dashboards that you can use to help you get started with your day in Web3. There is other different type of social media platforms or analytics platforms that you can really use that I did not mention in this video. If you know another free service that does not require any sign-in that you think will be helpful, feel free to comment below and let us know what you think. And if you like the content, remember to like and subscribe, share it with your friends who are new to Web3 or who wants to know about Web3 news on a daily basis. So hopefully this is helpful. This is your host, Non-Fungible TC, signing out.